Welcome! In this video, we will cover an overview of the Visits page within Field Central. Once you have logged into your Field Central web account, navigate to the menu button on the top left corner of the screen and select Visits from the panel option. Click Open on the Visits section. This is the Visits page, and you are viewing the Visits log. Here you will find visits with the status of completed, scheduled, or canceled. Use the filters on the left-hand side of the screen to narrow your search as desired. Users can filter by visit number, property, work to do, or date range. Additionally, users are able to decide if they want to view all visits or active only by using the toggle button. If users would like to adjust which columns are visible on this page, they will click any three dots besides the column headers and then select Columns. From here, the user will make their selections on which they would like visible within the Visits log. Once you have selected which columns you would like visible, you are able to filter further on any desired column. Users can also utilize the Mass Action option to export the log to Excel. Ready to give it a go? Try it for yourself.